In 1987, on August 16th, Northwest Airlines Flight 255, a McDonnell Douglas MD-82, crashed shortly after takeoff from Detroit Metropolitan Airport. The plane failed to gain altitude, clipped a light pole, and erupted in flames upon impact near a highway. Tragically, 154 passengers and crew aboard perished, with only one survivor, a 4-year-old girl named Cecilia Sisson. Investigators determined the crash was due to improper takeoff configuration, as the flight crew did not extend the wing flaps and slats. This disaster remains one of the deadliest aviation accidents in U.S. history, highlighting the importance of safety protocols.